Hello guys, welcome to the 11th video of the short HTML5 video tutorial series for absolute beginners. So in this video we are going to take a look at how to use images in HTML. Now before we do that, I want to say that from this video moving forward, I am going to be using a code editor called Visual Studio Code, which you can download from code.visualstudio.com. How do we use images in HTML? Very simple. We use images by using the Img tag, and Img here means image. So Img, and this particular tag comes with an attribute called src, and src means source. So src simply allows you to supply either the path to where the image file is located or the address of the image, that is if the image is going to be on the internet. So I have an image file here called html_logo.png, which I would like to render in the browser. Now for the browser to render it, I just need to supply in the path. Now because the image file and then the HTML file are both in the same level, I just need to supply only the name and then the file extension of our image file. So I'm going to say html_logo.png. Let's save our work, and as we can see, our image file has been pulled in by the browser. But the problem is that the image is looking very huge, and we can resize the image file either by using the width attribute, which the Img element comes with, or we can also use the height attribute. So let's use the width attribute for now, and we are going to give it a width of say 200 pixels. Save, and as we can see, our image file has been resized nicely. Another way of also using images is pulling in images from the internet, for example. So let's have our Img tag again, Img, and then our source attribute, of course, is going to take, as I said, the address of the image file. So let's go to Google and see if we can get an image. Let's search for this car here, Resize tank, and let's click on images here, and let's open this particular image in a new tab. Again, we are going to open this in a new tab. We just want only the image to show. And then finally, let's open this image in a new tab. Now as you can see here, only the image is showing. That means that this is the only thing the browser is currently rendering. So we just copy the address of this file that is being rendered, copy, and now we can close all these tabs. We no longer need them, so let's close them and go back to our code editor, and then we are going to paste the address we copied in the source attribute. Let's save our work, and as we can see, the image has been pulled in by the browser. Now what we are going to do is to resize this image also, and we are going to do that with the height and HTML. And so if you have any comments about this video, please leave it in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to the channel already, please do subscribe so that you'll be the first to know when I upload the next video. Now talking about the next video, we'll be looking at HTML links in the next video. So I'll see you in that particular video. Bye for now.